Hi. How's my sweetie pie? Oh, no, don't get scared. Hi, babykins. Oh, what's with that grumpy face? Smile. That's better. Yeah, are you my sweetie? Yeah, your mommy's little sweetie? Ooh. You okay, sweetheart? Here, lift you up. Oh. There. Now we're sitting. Ooh, that's fun. Yeah. Sitting is fun. Chewy. Whoa. Hey, sweetie. He had his late lunch, his lunch, and now he's all full. Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't all come back up with a squish squish. Yeah. You are just the cutest, you know that? Yes, you are. Let's see if we get that little smile again. Yeah. Where is it? Where'd the smile go? Huh? Where'd Mommy's smile go for me? Where'd it go? Justin. Hey, baby cakes. You gonna talk to us? You gonna talk to us? Hey, baby cakes. Haha. What do you have to say? Really? Wow. Wow. You're mommy's little sweetie pie, you know that? Yeah.